Welcome to Best Productly.
Ten Best KVM Switches New Model 2023. We are going to check out top 10 best KVM switches in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this KVM switches, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. So let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
CKL HDMI KVM Switch 2 Port Dual Monitor Extended Display. USB KVM Switch HDMI 2 in 2 out with audio microphone output and USB 2.0 hub. PC monitor, keyboard mouse switcher, 4K at 30 Hz CKL 922 HUA. Dual monitor KVM Switch HDMI 2 port. Consoles control up to 2 computers or laptops with 1 independent set of USB keyboard, mouse and monitor, or 2 monitors, extended or duplicated display with dual head input. The best KVM switch to make your workspace tidy and efficient.
Top 9.
CK-Law 2 Port USB 3.0 Dual Monitor KVM Switch DisplayPort 1.4. DisplayPort KVM Switch 2 monitors with audio and cables support 4K at 144 Hz, 8K at 30 Hz. 1. DisplayPort Dual Monitor Switch. 2 DisplayPort interface computers sharing 1 set of keyboard and mouse, 2 monitor, audio, microphone, and 2 PCs USB 3.0 peripheral devices. With 2 PCs USB 3.0 hub, data transferring rate up to 5 GB/, 10 times faster than USB 2.0. Tips. 1. This KVM switch required your computer with 2 or multi-video output.
Top 8.
TripLight 4-port HDMI/USB KVM switch. 4-port HDMI/USB KVM switch. 4K 60 Hz, HDR, HECP 2.2, IR, USB sharing, USB 3.0 cables.
Top 7.
USB 3.0 switch, ABLEWE USB switch selector 2 computers, sharing 4 USB devices KVM switcher box for PC, printer, scanner, mouse, keyboard with 2-pack USB cable compatible with Mac/Windows/Linux. USB 3.0 switch selector. This 4-port USB switch allows 1 button toggle between 2 computers to share 4 USB 3.0 peripheral devices without constantly pull cables or set up complicated network sharing software. Improve your work efficiency greatly. Ideal for sharing multiple devices. This USB switcher is ideal for connecting much devices, such as printer, scanner, mouse, keyboard, card reader, flash drive, and
Top 6.
GREATHTEK KVM Switch HDMI 4-port box, UHD 4K at 30 Hz and 3D and 1080p supported, Hotkey switch with 4 USB-B and 4 HDMI cables. 4 signal sources, share 1 display device. This kit helps you control 4 signal sources easily by only 1 set USB keyboard and mouse console, switching anytime. It can be widely used in the area of education, meeting training, video surveillance, and security and protection system, etc. Ultra HD 4K visual enjoyment. Supporting resolution 4K x 2K at 30 Hz. Make image display more exquisite and realistic color more bright and moving. Really give a feast for your eyes.
Top 5.
CKL 4-port USB 3.0 KVM Switch Dual Monitor HDMI 4K 60 Hz. Keyboard video mouse peripheral switcher for 4 computers, 2 monitors with audio. KVM Switch Dual Monitor 4 in 2 out. Control 2 computers or laptops with 1 set of wired or wireless keyboard, mouse, and 2 extended or mirrored monitors at the same time. USB 3.0 KVM switch each 4 computers, 2 monitors. The integrated two USB 3.0 UV ports allows you to share two more USB peripherals like printer, scanner, webcam, and hard disk between 4 computers with data transfer rate up to 5 GIP slashes, 10 times faster than USB 2.0.
Top 4.
TESmart 4-port DisplayPort 4K at 60 Hz Ultra HD 4x1 DP KVM switcher with 4 PCs 5 feet KVM cables and DP cables, supports USB 2.0 devices, control up to 4 DP port devices, red. 4 PCs shared with 1 set keyboard and mouse. Create a simplified workstation with 4 computers with this 4 ports DisplayPort KVM switch. 4-port DP KVM switch with USB 2.0 port. Supports connecting your USB 2.0 port device such as scanner/USB, driver/3D printer/monitor camera. 4x1 DP KVM switch support 4K resolution. Superior video quality. 3840x2000.
Top 3.
HDMI KVM switch dual monitor extended display 4-port, 2 USB 2.0 hub, UHD 4K at 30 Hz UV4, 4-to-4 downward compatible, Hotkey switch with all needed cables, no adapter required. 1 set of keyboard and mouse control 4 PCs share 2 monitors. This dual monitor HDMI KVM help you control 4 PCs, share 2 monitors, extend display mode or copy display mode by only 1 set of USB keyboard and mouse. Under the condition of your computers or laptops, support multi-display or dual display. If your computer has only 1 HDMI output, you can use a converter or conversion cable, such as VGA to HDMI converter or conversion cable.
Top 2.
TESmart HDMI KVM switch 2-port dual monitor extended display. UHD 4K at 60 Hz RGB 4-to-4-4, USB hub, audio, hotkey, button switching, PC monitor keyboard mouse switcher for 2 computers, 2 monitors with cables. Dual monitor KVM switch 2-port. TESmart KVM switch using only 1 set of keyboard, mouse, and 2 monitors to control 2 computers. Support display 1 computer's main and extended desktop. Dual HDMI KVM switch with USB 2.0 port. Supports connecting your USB 2.0 port device, such as scanner/USB driver/3D printer/monitor camera. Support many ways to control. Support keyboard hotkey, front panel buttons.
Top 1.
TESmart HDMI dual monitor KVM switch 4 HDMI PCs plus 2 HDMI monitors updated 4K at 60 Hz. Support cascading for quad monitor, HDR10, HDCP 2.2. Black. Reduce space. Use a desk with 2 monitors to switch and control 4 PCs and / or laptops. Contains all cables necessary for the operation of KVM. Plug and play capable. No drivers required. All ports are HDMI. Superior video quality. Up to 3840x2000. 160 at 60 is on both monitors at the same time. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.